Good morning, students. This is textbook page number 137, mixed bag, first bit. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Given that 12 into 14 equal to 168. Which of the following is true? Okay. Look here. 12 into 14 equal to 168. Now I am writing division fact for this. Okay, 168 divided by 12 equal to 14. One more division fact, 168 divided by, here we took 12, so 14 equal to 12. And we can also write multiplication, properties of multiplication. In that we learned 14 into 12 is also 168. Look here, these three options are there, so all of these are correct. Okay, now look at B question. 0 divided by 345 is equal to, yes, already I said properties of division. When dividend is 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, the answer will be 0. Now look at C question. When 6 crore 59,89,973 is divided by 100, the remainder is, as I already said, when we divide any number by 100, the last two digits will be the remainder and the remaining all will be the quotient. Okay, the digits in the ones and tens place will be the remainder. So 73 is the answer. Okay, now look at D question. When a 4-digit number is divided by a 2-digit number, the quotient is. Look here. Option A, 4-digit number, a 3-digit number, a 2-digit number. When we divide a 4-digit number by 2-digit number, the quotient is either 3-digit or 2-digit. Now look at E question. The price of 12 pence is 144. What is the price of 1 pen? Yes, in previous class only I said this one. 12 pence cost is 144 rupees, means 1 pen. We have to divide these two. Okay, 144 divided by 12, then we will get cost of 1 pen. Okay, now look at textbook page number 138. Here fifth bit word problems are there. Applying division story stumps. A question. In an apple orchard, 3,192 apples were plucked in a day. They have to be packed in boxes. If 12 apples can be packed in one box, how many boxes are required? Okay. Look here, A answer. Yes, number of apples were plucked in a day. How many? Yes, 3,192. Okay, they have to be packed in boxes. If 12 apples can be packed in one box, now we'll write like this. Number of apples were packed in one box. In one box there are 12 apples. How many boxes are required? Number of boxes are required equal to, simply we will divide these two, then we will get how many boxes are required. Okay, look here. 3,192 divided by 12. In 12 table we will get 31. No. Yes, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So we will take 12 twos are 24. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we will take this 9 here. 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Now will this take these 2 here. 12 6 are 72. 0. So the quotient is 266. This is the answer. Okay. This is A answer. Now look at B question. A metro train in Delhi carried 8,466 passengers in 6 trips. Okay. A metro train in Delhi carried 8,466 passengers in 6 trips. Each trip had an equal number of passengers. How many passengers travelled on each trip? Yes, very simple. Now look at B answer. Total number of passengers. Total number of passengers. 8,466. Number of trips. How many trips? 6. So we have to find how many passengers travelled on each trip. So number of passengers travelled on each trip. Simply we will divide these 2. Then we will get 8,466 divided by 6. Now I will do here 8,466 divided by 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 2 and this 4 will be taken here. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. And this 6 will be taken here. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So this 6 is taken here. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what quotient we got? 1411. This is the number of passengers travelled on each trip. Okay. This is B answer. Now look at C question. Amla wants to paste 480 stamps in her new stamp album. The stamp album has 24 pages and she wants to paste an equal number of stamps on each page. How many stamps should she paste on each page? Okay. Look here, C answer. Amla wants to paste 480 stamps in her new stamp album. So first we will write total number of stamps Amla wants to paste. How many? 480. Okay. Next, number of pages in stamp album. How many pages are there? 24. Okay. How many stamps should she paste on each page? Number of stamps she pastes on each page equal to 480 divided by 24. Okay. Now we will do this division here. 24, 480. Okay. 24 table. Simply 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48. 24 twos are 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. This 0 will be taken here. 24 zeros are 0. So 24 20s are 480. So she has to paste 20 stamps in each page. Okay. This is C answer. Now look at D question. In a tree planting campaign, School children planted 480 trees in 32 equal rows. How many trees were there in each row? In a tree planting campaign, school children planted 480 trees. How many trees? 480 in 32 equal rows. Okay, very simple. First we will write total number of trees. Total number of trees. How many are there total? 480. Okay, number of rows. How many rows are there? 32. Now we will find number of trees in each row. Very simple. 480 divided by 32. Okay. Look here. 32 divided 480 divided by 32. 32 ones are 32. 32 twos are 64. So we'll take ones. 32 ones are 32. Okay. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we'll take this 0 here. Okay. 32. 32 3s are 96. 32 4s are 128. 32 5s are 160. So here 160 is there. So we'll take 160. 32 5s are 160. So we got 15. Okay. In each row they will plant 15 trees. Okay. This is D answer. Now look at E question. How many hours are there in 4800 minutes? How many? So 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour has 60 minutes. To convert minutes to hour, we divide the number by 60. Okay, why we are dividing by 60? Why? Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we here 4800 minutes given. So 4800 divided by 60. Already I said if you get like this, we can remove these zeros. Okay, that is 480 divided by 6. I will do this here. 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. 0 0 6 zeros are 0. Okay, so 80 is the answer. Okay, 80 hours. Okay, this is E answer. Now look at F question. The product of two numbers is 4544. If one of the number is 32, what is the other number? Okay, the product means multiplication. Okay, product of two numbers is 4544. If one of the numbers is 32, what is the other number? Look at F answer. Product of two numbers equal to 4544. Okay, now in that one number is 32. One number is 32. To find another number, here product is there, so we have to divide these two. Okay, other number 4544 divided by 32, then we'll get the other number. Okay, I will do here 32 4544. Okay, yes, 32 ones are 32. 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we'll take this 4 here. Okay, 32 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, 32 fours are 128, 32 fives are 160. Here 128 we will take, so 32 fours are 128. Okay, now do subtraction. From 4 we cannot subtract 8, so we'll take borrow. It will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now we'll take this 4 here. 32 twos are 64. Okay, so the answer is 142. The other number is 142. This is F answer. Do this outside of the line. Okay, now look at G question. The school computer teacher bought 4 printers for the computer lab. He paid 9,000 rupees to the shopkeeper and got back 400 rupees. What was the price of each printer? Okay, look here. The school computer teacher bought 4 printers for the computer lab. How many printers he bought? 4. For that, he paid 9,000 rupees to the shopkeeper and got back 400. First we will subtract these 400 from 9,000. Then we will get cost of 4 printers. Okay. Then we have to find cost of 1 printer. Okay. Look here. G answer. First, now total number of printers bought by computer teacher. Total number of printers bought by computer teacher. How many he bought? Yes. How many? 4. Okay. Now, amount paid to the shopkeeper. Amount paid to shopkeeper. How many he paid? Yes. 9,000 rupees. Amount he got back. How much money he got back? 400 rupees. So now cost of that 4 printers, cost of that 4 printers is, simply we will subtract these two. 9,000 minus 400. Okay. Yes. Look. 9,000 minus 400. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 4. So we'll take borrow. It will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 8. So therefore cost of 4 printers is 8,600. Okay. Now what we have to find actually? What was the price of each printer? So to find cost of one printer, cost of one printer, we will divide these two. 8,600 divided by 4. Okay. Then we will get cost of one printer. Look here. 4 twos are 8. This 6 will be written here. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And this 0 will be taken here. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. This 0 will be taken here. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 2,150 rupees. Okay, this is rupee symbol. Okay. Now look at H question. 1,160 students go to a stadium in buses to watch the inter-school cricket match. If 40 students can sit in a bus, how many buses will be required? You have to do these 3. These 3 are homework for you. Okay. First write like this. Total number of students are going to stadium in buses. That is 1160. Number of students can sit in bus. How many? 40. Number of buses. Simply divide these two. Okay. Then you will get number of buses. Now look at I question. 6 maths textbooks cost 695 rupees 10 paise. What is the cost of one book? Already I said in the previous class we did this. In the same way you have to do this also. Okay, these two are same. Simply we will divide this like that only. Here also divide this number with 6. Okay, here divide this number with 9. Okay, complete your notes up to here. Okay, thank you.